Hi, this is Ashish Sukhadia, gemologist at Gemon Diamonds, and today we are going to talk on one of the important topic of the diamond, that is diamond cut. Diamond cut is a design or style guide when shaping a diamond or cutting and polishing diamonds out of the raw stones or the rough. Now, whenever shaping diamonds, diamond cuts is one of the most important parameter to look forward because that will not only decide how much value we will get out of the polished stones, but also will decide that what kind of jewelry it will finally go into making. Now let's check out some of the important shapes that we can cut and polish. This is round billion cut. We have here a pear shape. This is pear cut. Round billion cut is normally 57 faceted. Round billion cut is normally having 57 facets. We have a pear cut. This is having 58 facets. You can just imagine how small the each facet are and how much time and efficiency it takes, how much skill it takes to facet this kind of diamond. This is a hexagonal shape, nowadays a very favorite one. It has, I think, almost 35 to 40 facets depending on the cut that is required. And finally, the real skill that is required is polishing these tiny stones. This is a 5 cent diamond, and you won't believe that in India, Surat, we even cut and polish diamond, and that is even a hairline tail, that is 0.03 mm size even. So you can just imagine the cutting these small beauties. It takes a real art and real hard work, and only a finest craftsman can do this thing. Other people cannot. So this is one of the reasons, that's why a diamond is not cheaper one. They are considered to be the one of the luxuries. Now each of the diamond, irrespective of their shape, they're cut in a specific manner, and that is the reason why it determines what its value are. Now this is a diamond, this all are the diamonds. Now this one is a round billion cut having 57 facets. Now this has been an excellently cut. This has been graded on the excellent cut. Now I would just compare it with one of the diamond, that is 3.5 carat diamond. This both of the stones are 3.5 carat. You can just see in my hand. You can just see a kind of reflection that both of two have. This diamond have excellent cut, so you can see reflection, and this one is having a fair grade, a shallow cut. You can see that shallow cut, it doesn't have that height that this stone has. So this is shallow cut, so all the light do not pass through. Both of these stones are nearly 3.5 carats, and they are having color eye color. So you can just see, and both of them are VVS in clarity, but cut determines what kind of reflection it has. I would do one more testing to make you sure. I'm just using my mobile light, iPhone mobile light, so you can just see in clear terms which stone has more fire. You can clearly see the upper stones, that is having an excellent cut, is illuminating and having the highest fire. The basic reason is when the light pass on through this, the light has the full reflection in excellent cut diamond, but it do not have the same kind of reflection. The light passes on through that, but it do not exist from the same angle as it has to. So these are the things that determines when a diamond is having what kind of firing. So this is excellent stone I'm holding in my hand. Now it has been cut into the perfect angle. If you can see like this, it has been properly faceted, 57 facets, and that's the reason why it has been excellent cut, because it has been cut to the proportions, and that is the reason why this diamond is having a higher value than other diamond shapes. Now whenever you are choosing a engagement ring, whenever you're choosing any wedding ring, you must determine what kind of center stone you use. Other parameters such as a carat, clarity and color are important, but if it's not well cut, then definitely we will have a problem at the later stage, because you might end up paying so much high price. So whenever you buy the sensor stone, make sure it's either ideal cut or excellent cut. Now, there are various parameters in the diamond cutting industry. Very first, the highest cutting grade is the ideal cut. Then comes excellent cut. Then it's very good cut, fair cut, and lastly poor. At the German diamonds, we only sell ideal cut and excellent cut diamonds. So that is something that you must choose when you are buying diamonds online. So that is all from my part at German diamonds, and we will come back to you with one of the more important topic that will definitely delight your journey for the diamonds. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to German Diamond channel and press the bell icon to get the new video updates.